The stock I've been most interested in today, I've been kind of passive in that I haven't initiated any new positions, even though the market's been moving pretty heartily, is YELP. YELP Inc., ticker YELP. This is a daily chart. This is 1 year of price action. There's a couple of levels I'm watching. This main one here, right where it's sitting at, is pretty beautiful, what I think, test and hold of support. There's another level down here. If that current support level fails over the next couple days, I would more specifically, if technology stocks sell off, this is almost guaranteed to go down. I would expect this lower level here to hold. All right, so I'm going to hope for the best and prepare for the worst. I'm going to buy a couple of call options at the current strike, the nearest in the money strike. Those that are at least a month out and probably not more than 90 days out. If that fails and I lose some money over the next couple days in the case of a technology sector sell-off and YELP comes down, I'm expecting this secondary level of support to hold. It'll almost definitely at least get tested. You'll see a little bit of chop and price action around this. Kind of like where we're at up here, you have coincident levels, which kind of bolster the thesis of that given price point holding up. You have a support level, which was prior resistance, and then you have the 21 EMA. So if I buy today and it's up tomorrow, I'll wait on it, and I'll probably be pretty nimble in taking some profits. This is a short-term trade. If it goes lower and it looks like it's trying to firm up and hold on this 21 EMA on the daily chart, I'll add to the position. If it fails from there, I'll probably just use a stop loss and cut my losses on all calls that I hold at that point. But I'm hoping for the best. I think there's a wide gap between... So technology as a sector is doing great. Most of the price action and those positive performance numbers are from a handful of really large cap stocks, mega cap stocks, trillion-dollar market capitalization companies that are putting a gross outweighting on the performance numbers of some really broad sectors that have a lot of companies such as YELP. So point being, I'm expecting some kind of convergence between the mega cap tech stocks and some of these smaller names that have some lost ground to make up. The trend, which you see in most of my charts that I like in my trades, I usually look for a clean up trend. You don't have that here. You have a lot of noise and a lot of chop, but the support and resistance levels are fairly clean, and more I've been enjoying buying trades where the exponential moving averages are holding up. We're almost where you see on this one where it's on the daily kind of riding just above it, pulled back, and now it's sitting on it in a really nice orderly way. I've found that, caveat, when I'm right, this trade setup tends to be more profitable more quickly than following the simple moving averages, especially on a daily chart. So YELP is my trade of the day. This isn't an advice for your portfolio, just what I'm up to. Thanks for watching and listening, and happy trading.